Now, as the rescue operation in Stilfontein in the northwest wraps up, Mine Rescue Services project manager has been giving the final tally and the challenges they encountered along the way. A total of 246 illegal miners have been brought out of the shaft since Monday. 78 bodies have been retrieved.
We're actually exceeding of what we expected to happen here. We were expected to be here for about 16 days from the initial start. But I must say, with the support from the OEMs, my team here at the back, the guys have really excelled. They've put in long hours, and we could have completed yesterday taking out all the people last night around about 7, 8 o'clock.
And then what challenges have you encountered when you were?
Yeah, it's a huge operation. I think the biggest challenge is the risk working over this open hole. My people every now and then needs to approach this hole. We had to park this truck right against this hole. So there was a lot of risks of which we had to anticipate. Challenges was to prepare the site. The weather was also a challenge for us, but I think we pulled it off well, and successfully we can say that we have rescued and recovered a lot of people.
There are concerns that some people are unaccounted for. Are you going to go to shaft number 10, or what's the plan?
So yes, it was also my concern to make sure that if we leave here, we have accounted for everybody that wants to come out voluntary. So we left the site last night, allowing if there should be any people inside the mine that wants to come out. This morning we sent down our cage to go and scan the area where we have worked. So we lowered it down to 1,280 meters of where we use the cameras that's inside the cage, scanning the level, and we couldn't detect any persons or lamps or any voices being heard of any people that's shouting for help. We further then went down to about 2,100 meters of where there's a water level. Up to there we didn't detect any people, so we're on our way now coming out. The point mentioned about 10 shaft, I went there yesterday just from observation to see if it's possible. Unfortunately, this conveyance won't be able to go down there. That shaft was constructed with a round cement headgear, which was imploded, blasted into the shaft, and it's obstructed badly. We will have to do a more in-depth study to back with facts to say what's happening at that shaft, of which we will come back to do sometime.